everyone, my name is Niputelan Widiantasya, a student at Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia, majoring in Business Management. In today's presentation, I'm going to talk about a very interesting and relevant topic in the field of business law. Intellectual property right and business. Legal protection and economic impact. In today's global economy, ideas, creativity, and innovation are among the most valuable assets a company can have. These intelligible assets are what we call intellectual property. Protecting intellectual property is not just a matter of law. It is also a matter of sustaining creativity, maintaining competitiveness, and ensuring fair rewards for innovation. In this video, I will discuss the concept of intellectual property right, their tips, legal protection in Indonesia, example of violation and how this right influence business growth and the economy. Definition and concept of intellectual property right. Intellectual property right, or IPR, refer to the legal right given to individual or organization over their creative work of innovation. This right allow creators to control, use, and benefit from their intellectual creation, wherever it's a product design, brand name, software, artwork, or scientific innovation. The idea is simple. When someone creates something new and original, the law should protect it from being copied or used without permission. Without intellectual property protection, innovation would decline because people would have no incentive to invest time, effort, and money into creating something valuable. Therefore, IPR plays a vital role in encouraging creativity, technological development, and business innovation. Number 2, tips of intellectual property. Right. There are several tips of intellectual property right. Under Indonesian and international law. Number 1 is copyright atau hak cipta. Protect library and artistic works such as books, songs, films, photographic, and computer program. And number 2, trademarks, merek dagang. Protect symbol, logos, or words that distinguish goods or service of one business from another. And number 3, patents or patent. Protect invention that are new, involve an innovative step, and can be applied industrially. And industrial design or design industry protect the visual design or aesthetic shape of a product. And number 5, trade secret. Rahasia dagang. Protect confidential business information such as recipe formulas or production methods. And number 6, geographical indication or indikasi geografis. Protect product that originate from a curating place and have qualities or reputation linked to that location, such as Kopi Gayo or Batik Pekalongan. Each type of EPR serves a different purpose but shares the same goals: to protect creativity and ensure fair competition in the marketplace. Number 3, legal framework of intellectual property right in Indonesia. Indonesia has several specific laws that regulate intellectual property right. These include law number This law align with international standards established by the World Intellectual Property Organizations or WIPO and the TRIPS agreement under the World Trade Organization. The government also established the Directorate General of Intellectual Property or DGEP under the Ministry of Law and Human Rights, and which handles regulation, renewals, and enforcement of intellectual property rights. And this legal foundation ensure that creator, investor, and business receive formal recognition and protection for their intellectual works. The importance of EPR in business and the economy. Intellectual property plays a critical role in driving economic growth. In the modern economy, the value of a business often lies not in physical asset but in its brand, reputation, and innovation. For example, companies like Apple, Nike, or Disney are worth billions primarily because of their strong intellectual property portfolios and such as patents, logos, and copyright content. In Indonesia, intellectual property also helps local entrepreneurs compete globally. Batik motifs, coffee brands, and traditional recipe gain higher economic value when registered as protect intellectual property. EPR encourage investment in research and development, promotes fair competition, and strengthens a nation's position. International trade. In short, protection intellectual property means protecting creativity, which ultimately drives the economy forward. And number 5, common violations of intellectual property rights. Despite the strong legal framework, intellectual property violations are still common in Indonesia and around the world. Some of the most frequent violations include piracy, such as illegal copying and distribution of movie, music, or software, and counterfeiting, like fake brands, clothes, watch, or cosmetic, and patents infringement, where companies copy technologies without permission, and trademark misuse, where designers imitate famous logos to deceive customers. This violation not only harm creators financially but also reduce consumer trust and damage brand reputation. For instance, the widespread sale of counterfeit products in market and online platform shows that law enforcement and public awareness still needs improvement. And next, case example of IPR in Indonesia. Let's look at some real examples from Indonesia. Number 1, the case of batik motifs registered as design in other countries highlight the need for stronger domestic protection of cultural heritage. And number 2, the Indomie trademark. Disputes in some countries demonstrate how important it is to register trademarks internationally. And number 3, several local coffee brands like Kopi Toraja and Kopi Gayo successfully obtained geographical indication protection, boosting their global market value. This example shows how intellectual property law is directly connected to cultural identity, business growth, and international recognition. And next, the role of entrepreneur and society. Protecting intellectual property is not only the responsibility of the government, it also depends on entrepreneur and society. Business owners should actively register their brands, logo, and innovation to avoid disputes. Meanwhile, consumers should support original product instead of buying counterfeit. The more we respect intellectual property, the stronger our creative economy becomes. To conclude, intellectual property rights are an essential part of business and economic development. They protect creators, promote innovation, and contribute to national competitive. The law not only safeguards ownership, but also encourages business to be more creative and responsible. As future business professionals, we must understand and respect intellectual property because innovation without protection can never be sustainable. Thank you very much for watching my presentation about intellectual property right in business, legal protection, and economic impact. I hope this discussion helped us realize the importance of creativity fairness, and respect for intellectual property in shaping the future of business. Have a wonderful day and see you next time.